Building a monthly budget. Building a monthly budget is one of the most important steps in managing personal finances. A budget is a plan that shows how your money will be earned, spent, saved, and invested each month. It helps you stay in control of your finances instead of reacting to financial problems as they arise. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income. Start by identifying your total monthly income. Include all reliable sources such as salary, business income, freelance work, or government benefits. Use your net income, the amount you actually receive after taxes and deductions, because this is the money available to spend. If your income varies, calculate an average based on the last 3 to 6 months to create a realistic budget. Step 2. List your fixed expenses. Fixed expenses are costs that stay relatively the same each month. Common examples include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance premiums, loan payments, internet, and phone bills. These expenses usually take priority because they are essential and difficult to change in the short term. Step 3. Track your variable expenses. Variable expenses change from month to month. These include groceries, transportation, dining out, entertainment, and personal spending. Review bank statements and receipts to understand how much you typically spend in these categories. This step often reveals areas where small adjustments can create significant savings. Step 4. Set savings and financial goals. Saving should be treated as a non-negotiable expense. Decide how much you want to save each month for emergencies, short-term goals, and long-term goals such as retirement. A common recommendation is to save at least 10 to 20% of your income, but any amount is better than none. Automating savings can make this process easier and more consistent. Step 5. Allocate money using a budgeting method. Choose a budgeting method that fits your lifestyle. Popular options include zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned a purpose. The 50/30/20 rule, which divides income into needs, wants, and savings. Envelope or digital category budgeting, which limits spending by category. The best budget is one you can maintain consistently. Step 6. Adjust and monitor monthly. A budget is not a one-time task. Review your budget regularly and adjust it as your income, expenses, or goals change. Track your spending throughout the month to ensure you stay within your limits. If you overspend in one category, adjust another category rather than abandoning the budget entirely. Step 7. Build flexibility into your budget. Unexpected expenses happen. Include a buffer or miscellaneous category to handle surprises without disrupting your entire plan. Flexibility makes your budget sustainable and realistic. Building a monthly budget gives your money direction. It reduces stress, prevents overspending, and helps you reach your financial goals faster. A successful budget is not about restriction, it is about intention. When you tell your money where to go, you gain clarity, control, and confidence in your financial life.